Noir gang, out of everything that could possibly happen, I have the worst luck ever. I already ran out of gas one time, got saved, heat dancer Diana, thank you, I'm gonna try and get her on the channel one day. And then I'm like, all right, cool, I made it back to work, I finished everything, and you know, I'm on my way home. No, I'm not, because I ran out of gas again. And take a wild guess where I am. On the side of the turnpike. Well, there's a turnpike and I'm on the side next to the turnpike. But thankfully there was some cool ass officers that helped me out, and they helped push the car over here, so it really saved me. But Noir gang, I don't know if this is really important or not, but I just wanted to just show you guys my running out of gas problem hasn't come to an end. Thankfully I have a new job, so I can pay for that sensor and get it fixed already, because this can't keep happening. Bro, Noir gang, I don't get it. Now all of a sudden my gas gauge works again. I don't know what's happening, but I gotta figure this out. What's going on? So now, Noir gang, we're back. I'm in, obviously it's the next day. I have gas in the car, so we're chilling. And also a little change of scenery, you know, something different, so that way I'm inside the house because it's too noisy outside the house right now since the lawn's being mowed. But alright, it's pretty cool because I have something that, you know, like I said, I'm always trying to be budget friendly on the channel, you know, like I don't ball out, and I'm always going to be honest about that. But there's little things you can do that aren't pricey, that aren't super expensive, that you can do to your car that actually makes it look that much more awesome. Now, little disclaimer, this would apply more to like the Z community, because a lot of us run this certain rep wheel from Varstone, or Varstone, however you pronounce them. Sorry if I butchered your name. Let's just get straight into it. I got here a little mini package, you know, but what's in this package? Let's just shake. Come on, bro. Ooh. Some rim stickers. This might be very simple, but this is something I've been kind of thinking if I was gonna get or not. And to be honest, we had some Amazon gift card money kind of just laying around and made it a thing, because they only go for I think like 25 bucks, and it's like $4 shipping. Just wait till you see it on the car. It's pretty damn sick. Bruh, I was gone for like 5 minutes. How do I already get blocked, bruh? Get this slow little EcoBoost out the way. I'm just gonna wash up the wheels for now. I'll probably wash the car later, who knows, or depending how I feel. Yeah, just begin, because like I said, I don't have any alcohol wipes to go ahead and get all the dirt and all that. That's how I usually put on decals, but this time I'm kind of, you know, out of luck. So I'll do the best I can, but it's a super simple process. Yeah, I guess I'll film like maybe 1 or 2 wheels, but not all 4. It doesn't make sense. All right, okay, just hold up. I'm gonna get started on this side first. Okay. I am not good at putting this stuff on, but dude, that so far looks so hard. So whatever, I'm just gonna skip and just post the end result, because your boy really sucks at putting on decals. So, oh my god. But oh wait, let's fix that. Money. Okay, but I mean the color's getting drowned out because of the ISO right now, but it looks pretty damn sick. So let me finish up and then I'll show you guys what the end result looks like. So it's pretty now. Okay. But I'm gonna just get this out in the air. I like this style. I love this style. But what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, when I can, reorder a different color, because the lime green doesn't go too well with I guess the whole color scheme. But let me show you. And boom. So like I said, I think the lime green looks tight. Like if that's what you're going for, maybe let's lighten it up, because I feel like it's gonna get drowned out a little bit. But I think it looks tight. But the thing is, man, the fact I have the Noir.tm in like the oil slick color, so obviously it changes colors, and with the lime green, I'm not really feeling the combo. I know that might sound stupid, but I feel like it really kind of takes away from it all. Like, and I need to black out the door handles. So I'm thinking of getting the oil slick color for the wheel as well too. I don't know what possessed me to get green. I caught it, but I wanted to give it a try. But it was 25 bucks. I can't really go too wrong. I mean, that's it for now, but I think like I said, it might have to wait till January. I think I might just keep them on just for the sake of it. Or just let me know in the comments, should they stay on or stay off? What do you guys think? Because, I don't know, I'm kind of 50-50 about it. Or maybe I should just get a different Noir.tm decal. I kind of personally like the oil slick color a lot, and maybe it might look really sick on the wheels too. I need the Norgang to help me out. I'm not 100% sure about this one, and it's kind of 50-50. So, all right, let's take a look one more time. I don't know. What do you guys think? And then obviously inside the barrel too, but it's just with the Noir.tm sticker. I just feel like it doesn't flow so well. I don't know. I need help, Norgang. And Norgang is that simple. So it was a fast install. It probably took about like 15 minutes. And like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it on for now just for the sake of doing it, but let's just see. But if you guys liked the video, just make sure you like and subscribe. Share to your friends. It really helps go a long way. We're almost at 200 subs. I really thank you guys for that. And just, if you guys have any more wacky or stupid ideas, just let me know and I'll be more than happy to do it. But Norgang, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next video.